What's up guys? It's me, Nonchi. For today's video, I am here with Roldan and we are on our way to Dumaguete. So join us, let's go! Hi guys, we're finally here in Dumaguete City and right now we're here in Robinson's Mall. And I'm with my sisters! Yay!
The star of the night.
Yeah, so this is Iglot, this is Nina, this is Jude, and this is Ken! Soft launch. Oh, dito soft launch. Hard launch na din. So, yes guys, we'll be enjoying our dinner here. So, see you later. Bye! To Haro Studio sa Portal West here sa Dumaguete. Kaya mag-take me of photo, remembrance kay, you know, among sister na siya for how many years, diba? So let's go!
Hi guys, it's Milonchi! So natin karon sa Harold. Natin karon sa Haro Photoshop Center. And we are having our moment of truth. We're now having our pictorial days. Guys, dali na ako naka-appreciate sa akong naman.
Sa rin na
Cute.
My God!
Bro.
Hi guys! We're
Yo, yo. Bago ka part, play na rin, Mads.
Hi guys, it's me, Lonchi. For today's video, we are here at Yao Yao, and the owner of this camera is there, falling in line. This is Kuya Jude, Kuya Roldan, and Ken. Na-busy sa iyang phone. Pwede din. Hi guys. So currently we are
excited guys.
we are in Yao Yao. So someone is Yao Yaoing here. And
At buwangan.